This video will talk about how to work with various settings of hymns in the Books panel. Readers may want to select a particular hymn and select from one of several tunes. This video will go over how to do that, specifically using the tools here in the Books panel. So as you can see, I've started some readings. I have my Bible and Science and Health, and I know that I want to add hymn 304 to this list. So I'm going to come over here to the Study Tools panel, and in the search box, I will type hymn 304 and hit enter. And now this hymn, Feed My Sheep, by the founder and discoverer of Christian Science, Mary Baker Eddy, will appear. So I want to add this hymn to my list, so I'm going to select the entire thing, all of the text, and when I do that, of course, the citation builder appears. And I'm going to go ahead and click on this View Alternate Settings button. And when I do that, all of the settings to this hymn will appear. And you'll notice that this all capitalized, italicized title that each of these have is the title of the tune, so you can differentiate between them. And from here, there are two different ways to add any of these settings to my readings. Let's say I want to add hymn 305. I could come over here to this three-dot menu, click on it, and I can either copy to a list or copy to a clipboard. You'd use copy to clipboard if you wanted to add this hymn to a Word document or an email or something like that. But in this case, I'm going to choose to copy it to this list, and now it's in my list. Let's say I wanted to add hymn 306. I can also use the 9-dot icon. I simply click and hold, and then I drag or move and drop it, and I only release my mouse or drop it when I see that it is highlighted in green behind the citation. And now that one is also now a part of my list. The other ways to add hymns to a list here in the Books panel is found below the hymn. You'll see below here all of the settings for this hymn are listed. And for each hymn, there's also a 9-dot icon and a 3-dot menu. So now I want to add hymn 574. Like above, I can click on the 3-dot menu and say copy to list, and it will be added to my list. And I can also use the 9-dot icon by clicking and holding, and then dragging and dropping this hymn into my set of readings. So those are the various ways that you can use the tools here in the Books panel to help you add settings of hymns to your lists.